Hello, my friend. Welcome to Story English Academy. Today, we will explore a story called What is the Best Way to Learn English? Beginner Guide. In this story, we will learn how English should be practiced, how to improve listening and speaking, and how to use English in daily life. You can shadow the story with me, speaking slowly after each sentence. Are you ready? Let's begin. One day, a group of friends met in a small cafe. They were beginners in English and wanted to learn faster. Hello, everyone, said Sarah. I really want to speak English fluently one day, but I don't know the best way to learn. Tom smiled and replied, I think the best way is to listen and speak every day. Try to use English in your daily life. Lucy added, yes. I started listening to short English stories every morning. It helps me understand new words and sentences easily. They all agreed to make a small plan. Let's meet every day for 30 minutes and practice English together, suggested Sarah. Tom said, we can also discuss our future plans in English. For example, what we want to do next week, next month, and next year. Lucy nodded. Talking about our future in English will help us think in English and use the words naturally. They started planning. Sarah said, next week, I will read a short story aloud and share it with you. Tom said, I will try speaking about my daily activities in English every morning. Lucy added, I will write a short paragraph about my goals and read it aloud. This will help my speaking and writing together. They all felt excited. They realized that learning English is not just about memorizing words, but using it in real life, listening, speaking, and making small plans. By meeting regularly and practicing English with friends, they knew they could improve faster and build confidence. The story shows that the best way to learn English is through listening, speaking, daily practice, and discussing real topics like future plans. Learning becomes fun when shared with friends, and progress is visible every day. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to subscribe to Story English Academy. Watch more stories, practice English every day, and make learning fun. See you in the next lesson.